Hello and welcome to the video walk around of the 2010 BMW 520d Turbo Diesel SE. The vehicle is metallic space grey finish and it comes with a 18-inch of BMW alloy wheels. It's got a privacy glass, front and rear parking sensors, reversing camera and front view cameras as well, which I'm gonna demonstrate them for you shortly. The vehicle is very well maintained and clean. Here you can see the side cameras for the front view. And the front view of the vehicle has got front forks, headlamp washers and daytime running LED lights. The interior is full leather in black color with 5 headrests, ISOFIX for child seat preparation, rear center armrest with some storage and some cup holders. For your safety, it's got front side and rear airbags. And it is with a 4-zone climate control. Basically it's got climate control on the back as well. So here we have electric windows and 4 mirrors, and it's with a twin electric seats. It's got auto headlights and it is with a 6-speed manual transmission. It's got push button to start and stop function, and so that's the front view of the vehicle and the reversing camera as well. Air conditioning, as I mentioned before, with a 4-zone climate control, a center armrest with some storage department in there, foam preparation, auxiliary is in there. Here we have a cup holder, a 12-volt power outlet, and an ashtray. If you go to the phone, as you can see, it's got Bluetooth connectivity. AM/FM radio. Bluetooth audio, which allows you to stream your music directly from your phone without using any cables. Auto rear view dimming mirror. In the glove box there is a CD and DVD changer, so basically you can watch DVD movies on the screen as well. Multifunctional steering wheel, cruise control on the left hand side, voice commands on the right hand side. This was the video walk around of the 2010 BMW 520d. To book a test drive or for any further information, please give us a call. Thanks for watching.